This is Nat from Artnovion. In this video we're going to be detailing how to use the lock system with our FixArt Clip range. So with the FixArt Clip we supply threaded bar and nuts. We're going to be using these for this install. So start off by placing the threaded bar in the screw thread receivers on the back of the panel. You don't need power tools in order to do this, just put them as much as you can. So the lock system is very important for these panels when you're installing panels, let's say on ceilings or inclined surfaces, or if you have an install which you just need added security, such as a school or a corridor where you don't want people to accidentally unclip panels. You don't need to lock all of the panels in, just ones at the ends of the array give the security you need in that sort of situation. So first things first, put the threaded bar in all of the clips on the back of the panel, or the screw thread receivers on the back of the panel. Then the clips are on the wall, so what you need to do first is to line up the threaded bar with the holes on the clips, and then edge it in place, like so. Then once it's in this point, clip in the top, and this side. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing down slightly on the clip to clip it into the frame. And at the same time, I'm aligning the threaded bar to the hole in the clip. So that is now all in place. Okay? So once that's in place, you can always move the panel around a bit if you need to, left and right. With the nuts we provide, it's very easy just to get the nuts, reach around to the back of the panel here, and screw that onto the threaded bar. There you go. There's the top too. So with this in place, it means you have a direct mechanical fixing to all of the edges of the panel. So again, this corner. There you have it. So that's how to secure panels using our FixArt Clip system. For more information on this, technical details or installation guidelines, check out our website.